Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make an artboard background transparent using Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now simply select Windows option. Now check mark Windows properties and click on this properties option. Here you will find this ruler and grid option. Simply select this transparency grid and see this. Now select file option. Click export option and save as and select here png, choose desktop, export. Now select here background color, already selected transparent, also you can choose white, black, I will choose transparent. Now simply select OK and see this and properties check png. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.